welcome to Emmy Sky, and today I am going to be showing you how to glitch into where the dragon doesn't want you to get there. Oh, and the update just happened a few minutes ago. It's so cool. So let's just get in. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. So let's get into the video. Right now, we're just gonna teleport to the gaps. And, whoa, island. And now, let's get a vehicle. I'm gonna go to my hoverboard. So, oh wait, I'm in cleared. Getting on my hoverboard. There we go. So if you want to know how to glitch there, you're going to want to get, toys. You're going to want to go into toys. Get a grappling hook. And then grapple in there. Right there. It's so easy, guys. It's very simple. So right now we're just gonna let people get in. Okay? I'm so excited. So I'm just asking random. So be in my fam. I'm telling her to be in my fam. So I'm gonna, oops. Whoa. Yay, I'm accepting. TP to me when I'm, or she can just go on my back. Or you can just come with me. So there. There. So come. Come on. Let's just get in there. Whoa. What's happening? Okay, let's get in. Ooh, there. I'm in. What's happening? Guys, this is so stressful. Just dang it. So I got this girl in. She's saying, OMG, yeah, I know, is it cool? So let's see what she responds, yes or no. I bet she's gonna, wait, I'm gonna write it again. Is it cool? Yeah. Be a baby. Be a baby. So right now, guys, we are gonna get Kiki out. And we're gonna get Stroller. Drop baby. because we need Kiki to be there. Get on my back. Maybe I'm gonna pick you up. Get on my back, girl. Or should I pick you up? Because my game's kind of... There we go. And let's just... There. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening? Whoa, whoa. There we go. Whoa. That was just cuckoo, so I'm gonna teleport to her. And we're in. Okay. So, I guess I'm just gonna... So, I'm gonna go to the center. Who wants to get in the play with the dragon? Who wants to get... He in... Okay. Come. So I'm just gonna lead her there. Maybe I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this one out. There we go. There, yeah. And there. So now we're gonna get my grappling hook. There. TP to me. TP to me. So I'm gonna make her TP to me and do you like it? Whoa, what just happened? Oops. I'll get us back in there. Whoa. I'll get us back in. Yeah, it's LOL. OMG guys, what just happened? Well, let's get out my hoverboard. So we got out my hoverboard, and now we're just gonna head there, glitch back in. Let's get out. Now we're just gonna... Okay, what keeps on happening? This happens with every single one. Okay. Sure, you can train me. Sure. I'm a professional. So this event is really cool. I just love it so much. Maybe for that I am gonna offer golden uni. Yeah, this isn't a good trick for golden uni. Oh well, girl. Oh well, guys, you know what? I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye!